Hello my people in the USA, UK and Canada, and welcome to Estate Guide Series. I'm Realtor Michael from Aden Shelters Limited, Lagos, Nigeria. Today we are talking about something that scares every diaspora buyer, Omonile. If you are buying land in Lagos, you've heard that name, and here is the truth that can save you 20 million naira. Once governor's consent is published, Omonile legally disappears. Yes, they lose power. But here's the problem most of us abroad don't know. Who takes over after that? And that gap is where fraud happens. Danger warning. Paying development levy to Omonile after excision is illegal. You are falling extortion and you are weakening your own title. Caution. If someone tells you excision is a process for 3 years, be careful. No Gazette means the land is still with the family. Red flags. Payment to a used chairman, no Gazette number, no layout approval and no company receipt. Here's the law, made simple. Under the Land Use Act of 1978, all land belongs to the governor. When the governor grants excision and it's published in the Gazette, the family's power ends. Who replaces Omonile? The state government and the estate developer with an approved layout. From that day, all payments and approvals must go through them only. So how do you buy safely from abroad? 10 quick actions. Number 1. Demand the Gazette number, page and date. Number 2. Confirm layout approval from the Ministry of Physical Planning. Number 3. Pay only to the developer's company account. Number 4. Make sure your contract includes governor's consent. Number 5. Collect your deed and allocation letter. Number 6. Book a virtual inspection with estate management on Zoom. Number 7. Check that security is from estate, not Omonile. Number 8. Reject any Omonile levy during building. Number 9. Get certified true copies of your document within 60 days. Number 10. Join the Estate Residents Association. A client in Canada paid 80 million naira to Omonile after excision. We checked. The Gazette stopped it and his money was refunded. Today his title is clean. Omonile thrives on ignorance. Excision ends their power, but only if you have the right documents. If this helps you, please subscribe for more Estate Guide Series episodes. Contact me, Realtor Michael, Aden Shelters Limited on +234 808 358 2024. We do free virtual inspections for all diaspora clients. See you in the next episode. Thank you very much.